What's up, guys? And we are back. Guys, I'm sorry, but from now on, I think we're doing 3 a.m. challenge. We're gonna, guess what? The actual jigsaw is actually outside of my door, so we have to be quiet. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's right there. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but guys, he's actually here. He's coming my way. Where do I go? I'll hide under the blankets. Guys. So, guys, he's right there. I left the door open, guys. I forgot. Oh, he's out. Guys, that was so close. Oh my god, guys, that was so close. Give me 10,000 likes and we will handcuff him. These are actual handcuffs. Like, my best friend gave these to me. He's a police officer. But, guys, yeah, this is serious. I mean, look at these. Give me 10,000 likes, and I will handcuff him to a chair. Maybe I'll make a cell with bars. I'll do anything like that and I'll trap him. I'll do anything. Just give me 10,000 likes. Say what you want me to do in the comments. Everything you want me to do in the comments. Every 3 a.m. challenge you want me to do, just say in the comments and I will do it for you. So, guys, that was so close. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And as you know, I'm actually in my room. So, guys, I think I'm gonna go distract him and then get him to go outside, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna go distract him and get him outside. Bye. Guys, we're back. He's actually outside. Bro, I actually got him outside. Bro, I got him outside, and then, he knocked me out. And then, but guys, he actually knocked me out, because I got him outside, and then, I came back in, and, I went back outside 1 minute after that, and then, he was behind my car, and, I went behind the car, like, I went past the car. He jumped up behind me and knocked me out. And then, like, I was in this weird room, like, and then there's this pig, like, the evil Peppa Pig. Guys, please, please, we need all the luck we can get. If you need anything, if any 3 a.m. challenge you want me to do, just say it in the comments and I'll do it. Okay? I've called Jeff the Killer before. I've called it. I've called the evil SpongeBob. I've called Jigsaw. I just now called Jigsaw at 3 a.m. tonight. Right now it's 3 a.m. I just now called him. And then he actually came to my house. I just now got my hair cut. Look. Holy shit! Guys, it is, oh my. Wait. It was Jigsaw. Bro, guys. Tell me if you saw anything. Like, look, guys. This is why my house is always haunted. The only reason my house is always haunted is because of Jigsaw. So because he was, the only reason I called him this night at 3 a.m. is because he's been haunting my house, sending all these ghosts in at 3 a.m., possessing me. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Guys, we need all the luck we can get, please. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Peace!